how to go live on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to go live on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the plus icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the camera section. Now here at the bottom, you'll see several options. So from there, you can simply scroll through and there you can just tap on live mode if you see and if you have that option available in your account. And now here, once you are inside the live session, you can title your live, you can set the audience, and with that, you can also fit the filters and effects. And once you're done with everything, you can just tap on go live button and Instagram will check your connection and start broadcasting. And with that, your followers may receive a notification that you are live too. And that's it. That's how you can go live on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.